Welcome to Autoperfekt Quick Guides. Today we're going to talk about a Snowfoam. Today we're going to talk about our Snowfoam. Now, our Snowfoam is designed on a citrus-based formula, making it very good for cutting into things like dirt, grime and road salt. We develop these products right here in Scotland, so we need to make sure that it's going to work in the environments that we're using it in. As I says, it is that citrus-based formula, and that ensures that it's going to be good on your LSPs. What do I mean by LSPs? I mean your waxes, your sealants, your ceramic coatings. It is safe on all that. Pretty much like the same right across the whole range at Autoperfekt. Now, it's a 10:1 mixing ratio, and we're going to take you outside on this Range Rover and we're going to show you how to use the product. So your Perfekt Snowfoam, if you don't have a Snowfoam lance like this, you can purchase one of these from the So, Snowfoam, you're probably thinking in your head, I don't have a pressure washer, I don't have a Snowfoam lance, so I'll just skip by this video. You don't have one of these. Don't worry, I'm here to save you. This is what you need. One of these kind of foaming bottles. This is an IK foaming bottle. Now we sell the two different kinds in here, the 1.5 and the 2 at Autoperfekt Car Care. But this is essentially a handheld version of this. Don't get me wrong, this feels like a workout and this is an absolute breeze, but you can still get the benefit out of a Snowfoam from the two different types. Now, if you want to use your Snowfoam, all you have to simply do is this. Screw it off the top of the lid of your bottle. On the bottle, a Snowfoam bottle, there is usually a millimetre or an ounce indicator on there. Now we're going to put 100ml into this 1 litre bottle. I'll just fill this up. And there we go, we've got 100ml. The exact same will go for the handheld pump sprayer. We will put 100ml of product straight in to the pump sprayer as well. Just measure this out. There we have it. And what I'm going to show you now is how to use both products through the both different variations of tools, through the pressure washer lance, Snowfoam lance, and the handheld pump. So, I'm not going to teach you how to use a Snowfoam lance. I'm sure you've probably already figured that out if you've went this far to get a similar setup as to this. Simply just going to spray this on. I'll do half of the backwater panel and half of this door here, and we'll be able to see the difference. So, once you've applied your Snowfoam, all you want to do is let that dwell on there for about 5 to 10 minutes. A couple of kind of safety tips for you. If it's a hot day, maybe don't leave it on for that long. Maybe leave it on for a couple of minutes. Don't use it in direct sunlight, and just be generally careful of the kind of surrounding areas when you're using Snowfoam. People's windows, people's other cars, all that sort of stuff. But you just leave it to dwell on there for about 5 to 10 minutes. One of my biggest pet hates is when you see valeters and detailers applying Snowfoam, they'll then tend to go in and agitate all the areas with a brush. Don't do that. You should be doing that with your contact wash stage, not in the pre-wash stage. You've always got to remember that in mind. Snowfoam is a pre-wash, it's not a contact wash product. And there you go. Welcome to Autoperfekt Quick Guides. This time we're going to be talking about an Autoperfekt Snowfoam. Our Snowfoam's been based... never mind that. So today we are talking about our citrus... No, we're not. Today we are talking about... I was talking... My gran says I have to stop swearing as well in the outtakes, so I need to watch what I'm doing. Today we're going to talk about our Snowfoam. So our Snowfoam is based on a citrus-based formula. It makes it very nice.
Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. Hello, Nicki Minaj.